Here's my three musketeers, three friends, Tres Amigos, all very inexpensive. Black drum, sablefish, also known as black cod, and rainbow trout. This one needs to be scaled. All available at H-E-B in Central Texas. It's done. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, look at this time of the year. We have a lot of live oak leaves being replaced with new ones, and it's also blooming, but it's so nice outside. I'm so curious to taste it. The idea is to eat side by side, taste side by side. Three types of fish that were marinated the same way for the same time, cooked the same way. But they all taste different. They're different and absolutely amazing with this type of cooking. And I was curious to see, do I need to remove the skin? How's the skin? Let's taste it. Mm, so good.